Hi, my name is Ella. Let's dive into what's new in this release. This version is compatible with earlier releases and can be installed on top of existing instances. Note that Flow Manager requires a database to store the Flow repository. If you are using MongoDB, check that the version is 6.0, especially before performing an update. Before proceeding with an upgrade, it's important to note that if you manage multiple source and target subscriptions using advanced patterns through REST APIs, since February 2024 update or later, you'll need to adjust your API requests to include both general and specific transfer CFT properties. For the October release, numerous fixes have been implemented. Access level of SecureTransport transfer sites, which caused a transfer error when accounts belonging to different business units than the default one, the one from connectivity, changed from business unit to public. Fixed the view flow history when the user had a role with only default view flow pattern UI and default view flow privileges. Fixed deployment for S2H transfer site. Empty values for send file as property are mapped to null. Starting with this release, users no longer need to have access to SecureTransport product to define how it connects to remote server partners, as they can create remote client communication profiles directly on partners with the same information as the SecureTransport client communication profiles for any protocol. Additionally, you can define private SSH keys in partners to use in remote client communication profiles, representing the SSH key for SecureTransport client authentication. I'm going to show you how to create and use a remote client communication profile in a flow. First, I will go on a template I've already created from a pattern where the target is a partner which behaves as a server. So this partner receives from the relay the SecureTransport using SFTP protocol. Also, this partner will be defined at the subscription level. I'm going to edit the template. Go to Relays Communication Profiles and choose, instead of Sender Client Communication Profile, selected as Client SFTP, Partner Sender Remote Client Communication Profile. I check this option, save the template, publish it, and subscribe it. I'm going to choose the partner. I have the receiver-server communication profile, so server SFTP defined. And here, the sender client communication profile from partner is not defined, but I'm gonna do it. I have this option to create it inline, but also directly from the partner. Save it. Deploy the subscription. The deploy was successful. Starting with this version, CA certificates are deployed for flows where SecureTransport authenticates using a certificate with remote SSL TLS servers. As part of the recent updates, we've introduced in all common mandatory toggle for the partners and communication profiles pages, as well as for the inline creation dialog from templates and subscriptions to reduce the fields displayed. In the latest version, we've added rlimit nofiles parameter to the Flow Manager conf file. This parameter allows you to control the soft and hard limits of the maximum number of open files in the Flow Manager RPM. The default value is set to 2048.
Thanks for watching. Find more information and resources in the description below. If you are not familiar with Flow Manager, check the description below to access free introductory product training. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.